Hello everyone. Here I have a present progressive quiz. I will read the sentences and I want you to figure out which present progressive verb fits best in each sentence. Hola amigos, aquí tenemos una prueba del presente progresivo. Voy a leer cada oración y necesito que ustedes identifiquen qué respuesta va en cada oración. The man is the floor. Welding, installing, repairing, serving, preparing. The server is her customers. Welding, installing, repairing, serving, preparing. The chef is a salad. Welding, installing, repairing, serving, preparing. The welder is metals. Welding, installing, repairing, serving, preparing. The mechanic is a car. Welding, installing, repairing, serving, preparing.